lakh crore unclaimed money. Stuck, lost, forgotten, scattered wealth, bank accounts, EPFO, stocks, real estate, insurance. Yet no single consolidated view. 45 lakh crore plus generational wealth transfer in this decade. 25,000 crore unclaimed life insurance policies due to lack of awareness. Most families only realize what's missing when it's too late. Financial touchpoints have increased manyfold, yet no unified view.